POV, you're a Fortnite map making millionaire who's made $10 million online making Fortnite maps. As you guys can see, this game right here called Tilted Zone Wars has made a grand total of $16 million. So throughout this video, I'm going to be showing you the absolute best techniques and strategies that you can replicate and follow to emulate and replicate the top people inside of the space and have success and actually make money online making Fortnite maps. And disclaimer, before the video starts, you do have to be 18 years old of age to actually get started online making Fortnite maps. But if you have a friendly family member who's welcoming enough to give you the parental guardian information, you can sign up today and get started making money online. So first of all, to get started, you guys can go ahead and actually sign up for the software called Verseify, which will literally make your games out of thin air. This is what I've been personally using, and this is what the top people inside the space are using to actually get rich online making Fortnite maps. Nobody wants all of their hard-earned efforts to go to waste. So go ahead and sign up for Verseify in the link in the description. All right, guys, so as soon as you guys have done that, I want you guys to go ahead and download the Epic Games launcher. Okay, so essentially this is the software that's going to run UEFN, which is Unreal Engine for Fortnite, which allows you to actually build the Fortnite maps, build your creations, and make money online. So as soon as you're done downloading the Epic Games launcher, you're going to see these two applications here on your left, Fortnite and UEFN. These two applications go both hand in hand to complement each other and is necessary to help you get rich online making Fortnite maps. So now that you have Verseify and the Epic Games launcher downloaded, I want to show you guys exactly in depth what people are doing to make money online, showing you the technique so you guys can do it yourselves at home watching this video. Because all we have to do is just take a little gaze and we're going to see thousands and millions of people playing these Fortnite Island creations, generating thousands of dollars every single day. And right now we're about to check out the most popular creation in the entirety of Fortnite, Tilted Zone Wars Free-for-All, which has made $16 million. You probably heard it from the intro in this video. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what they're doing to get rich online making Fortnite maps because they have a lot of tricks up their sleeves. So for all of you guys that are either beginners or pros, it doesn't matter what stage you guys are at, you're going to learn something right now. Let's do it. Okay, so we are inside of Tilted Towers right now live because I wanted to show you guys a realistic example of how the game plays out so you guys can replicate and emulate it at home watching this video. As you guys can see, we have a 15 XP claimer. So in exactly 50 seconds, obviously when people load up, we have all of this nice UI. We have the Discord server, we have the maps that it's made. We also have the drop in like and favorite, which is very, very cool. We have the special vault here, which opens after round 70. So this is what's forcing people to actually play longer and actually get these mythic weapons inside of their world and kill people, which increases the playtime and demand inside of the game because Epic Games pays you based off of island retention. Make sure to remember that. And also we have the vault here, which enables every third round where we can actually walk inside of here and claim all of these nice weapons and traps inside of the game. Of course, here we can change our skin. So we have around 8 to 14 people loaded up inside of this island right now. So we're loading inside of the round right now. And obviously right here we have the like and favorite, which forces us to like and favorite the game. And we have XP generating every 5 seconds, which stimulates the player and have them want to play longer. This guy probably knows I'm a YouTuber, which is why he's following me. But as you guys can see, we are inside of the game right now. I want to show you guys how the game actually plays out so you guys can see the implementations and sneaky strategies that he's actually using to actually get players inside of his games. It seems like this guy's following me and trying to kill me because he probably has seen my videos, which is kind of funny because I did not have that anticipated on my yearbook as we near 2025. But okay, so here we have mythic loot. Every 40 seconds we get XP inside of our game. This guy is just completely facing me and trying to follow me, and I don't understand why. Maybe he's seen my content, maybe he hasn't. But I want to show you guys what's actually inside of this game, which is making people want to play longer. So just off the top, guys, if we see all of the people that are playing this game, we have a huge stimulus of XP generating every 5 seconds. And not only that, but we also have many factors that make the people want to play longer, which is not only that there's so many people playing, but it's also that I'm about to die in 5 seconds because I suck at this game and I died to a guy who's seen my content and stream snipes me. So now I'm going to go ahead and load inside of a private session to show you guys what's actually at stake here so I don't get killed off spawn, so I can actually go into detail and show you everything to make you guys more money online making Fortnite maps. So here we have the lifetime eliminations. Pretty much what this feature does, it shows you the lifetime kills you've actually had inside of the game. Obviously I have 0 because I'm in a private session. Specifically with the map code at the top, you guys want to be showing and representing your map code so people can actually type it in and they don't have to back out inside of your world and screw up your playtime. So pretty much this is like a one-to-one replica of Tilted Tower. We have a Christmas tree here for the Christmas update, and if we actually go to these chests here, we're going to be getting XP every time we actually search them up. As you guys can see, once we search this up, we get 1,200 XP, which is pretty insane to me because for a lot of people, this probably feels like an XP glitch. So we have the ballers, we have the cars and the vehicles, we also have the map codes and islands that they can use so people can actually travel to the other games that the person has made. So now that I've showed you the in-depth analysis of what it actually takes to have a Fortnite map that makes over $16 million, the next map that I'm going to show you is a personal favorite of mine, which not only has made millions of dollars, but it's a game that I made myself. And I'm going to show you guys it right now so you guys can replicate the same success that I've had and make more money online. Okay, so we're inside of my Juice WRLD 1v1 map. Okay guys, pause. Obviously we can listen to the custom Juice WRLD songs that I custom made myself and edited, but this is the holy grail of Fortnite maps. So we have amazing XP, amazing crosshairs, FOV sliders, custom background changers, first person mode, changing your game speed, custom music, storm and rain effects, a gifts box, vaults and battle passes. And if you guys go ahead in here, this has unlimited potential of XP that you can gain, which is what has made me get to level 103 inside of the game. As you guys can see, I'm such a high level. It's with this map that I just posted today. And obviously the map code is in the link in the description. But if you guys take a look, this is what you guys need to be making. Look at the beauty of this world. This is what you guys need to be making and taking advantage of to make money online. And this is what you need to be doing to promote your game online. If we just take a little look-see for a second, look at all of the maps here. Millions and millions of views, guys. Promoting their 1v1 games, making millions of dollars. I kid you not. Look at the view count on these videos. Kid doesn't know about this map, got me to level 1000. People are bullshitting people, making hundreds and millions of dollars doing so. And I want to show you guys exactly what you can be doing as well, because we have this one, Epic Games, what the hell is this? We load inside of this map and we get millions and millions of levels. Somehow this guy's already level 1000. This is what people are using. This is their strategy. And it's kind of sad. We literally have a TikTok page called Viral XP Maps that posts a video every single day and gets hundreds and thousands of dollars doing so. But rest assured you, my map is not an XP glitch. Obviously I got you 100 levels. I mean, I guess it kind of is. You guys can go play. But like, I'm never going to be promoting it in this type of light, where I'm doing fake scandalous content to promote the game and take advantage of you guys. Okay, so with fake TikToks running rampant, fake Fortnite maps running rampant as well, with clickbait thumbnails, what can you guys actually do? Is there any last saving grace to help you guys get started making Fortnite maps? Because guys, the competition is dwindling every single day. There's 37,000 creators that have all been joined by my content that I've inspired and motivated, but there's not people doing stuff like me, creating softwares and companies and courses to help you. And quite frankly, it needs to stay that way, because there's no one going to be ever close to me on my level where I can help you guys. Because if we look at this game by Cypher PK called First Person Tilted Towers, obviously this is a cool map, but it's not even performing that well. People put so much time into games and it just doesn't do well. But with the power of Verseify and the link in the description at the start of this video, I already told you what it does. That is what's going to help you. So this is what I need you guys to do. You guys need to join a connected, like-minded group of people. Thankfully, that is my Discord server, which will help you guys and get you guys started to get rich online making Fortnite maps. You're going to find my Discord server in the link in the description, where I give hundreds of verse codes that you guys can use and just implement inside of your worlds and take advantage of making Fortnite maps as a side hustle to replace your 9-to-5 job. So from everything that I've said today, the most important part of attraction and bringing people inside of your world is your thumbnail. And I want you guys to start using the software called Phototopia. It is free to download. It's way better than Photoshop completely, and it's built into Google Chrome. You don't even have to download anything. For example, I was able to make this Fortnite thumbnail for my Fortnite map with this software. The custom Juice WRLD album covers, the music, the 50 songs, I was able to create that completely inside of the software. Is that not insane? You are limitless, my friend, okay? And you're gonna have success beyond your wildest dreams. You're gonna be making millions of dollars online making Fortnite maps, not only with Verseify, not only with the course in the link in the description, not only with connecting with like-minded people in my Discord, but because of you. You have the power, you have the responsibility. That's not a Spider-Man quote, but you have the power to change your life forever making Fortnite maps. And that's exactly what you're going to do. That's why you're on this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I cannot thank you guys enough for being here. Click the last video on the screen. It's been your boy Davey Davis. I'm out. Peace. Man, I seriously just love you guys, man. Yes, this is DaVinci Resolve. I'm editing my video. Love you guys, man. Peace out.